Men, and as usual, I use the term ever so loosely. Uh, Today is Monday. Normally, I would have put a video out yesterday, Sunday, but was busy running behind. So you're getting a video today. This is going to be just a very short video uh, covering just a couple things. First of all, I want to thank one of these subscribers for sending me a little Christmas gift right here. A veritable cornucopia of mechanic delight in here. Uh, Geez, he's got a bunch of these little metal brushes. I use the hell out of these things. And, this is how they start life out. And I'm such a cheap bastard. Um, as the bristles get worn out, they wear out towards the end first. I keep cutting them off until I end up with this. So, he's given me enough of these things here. This is a lifetime supply, probably, especially using them the way I use them. Wire brushes, razor blade scrapers, razor blades. I use the hell out of these things. Boy, I could say almost a lifetime supply. Spreaders, electrical tape, razor blades, straight razor blades, pair of dikes. Always could use a pair of these. 3-inch discs, although these use a different doohickey than the ones I use. But he gave me a wheel for them too. I use the hell out of these things, use them all the time. More straight razor blades. Not sure what you use these for, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. Burring tool. Sharpies, use the Sharpies all the time. Some mechanic gloves. I should use these, but I don't. But I'll probably use these. I want to try some different ones out. I haven't been satisfied with most of the ones I find. Either they're too flimsy and they rip, or they dissolve into chemicals. But we'll try these out, see how they work. But, oh, look at this. A tape measure. Never could have too many of these things. I like having them laying around. They come in real handy. Wonderful. Anyway, many thanks. Thank you. Appreciate it. You know who you are. Anyway, thank you. Greatly appreciate it. Number 2, coffee cups. Still got coffee cups for sale. See the link below. $20 shipped. Ironhead Cycle coffee cups. Come and get them while they're hot. Number 3, and I'm throwing this in here just because I didn't throw it in anywhere else. But a couple of engines ago, I ran into this rather cryptic hieroglyphic stamped on these flywheels. I've never seen anything like this before. I assume this must be some guy who rebuilt it sometime in the past. Anyway, if you've ever run across that or have some kind of explanation, let me know. Love to hear it. Okay, then, just a reminder, this crankcase is still up for giveaway. As of just a little bit ago, it was 15 subscribers away from the 500 subscriber threshold. If you want it and you're military, send me an email, get a hold of me somehow. I will put your name on a list and I will pull a name out of a hat for the recipient of this crankcase. So if you want it and you're interested, just let me know. I prefer to give it to a military. If no military people are interested in it, I will give it to anybody who wants it. 15 subscribers away. So subscribe and put your name in for a crankcase if you want it. It's been repaired. It's a solid crankcase. It's a good repair job, if I do say so myself, and I do. Watch the videos on a repair job. Crankcase giveaway. Put your name in for it if you want it. And FYI, this is a 86, which is the first year of the Evo Sportster. And I'm pretty sure this could be assembled as either a 1200 or a 900. Just put on whatever barrels you want to put on it. And then the last thing I want to mention is this. I've been working two jobs, Ironhead Cycle being one of them, and then of course the job that really pays the bills. Some people would say I'm stupid, but I retired from the job that actually pays the bills and will be doing Ironhead Cycle full time from now on out. So I expect I'll have the videos coming out Sunday morning, 6 a.m. as usual. I'm going to devote all of my time to keeping Ironhead Cycle going, making videos for it. Anyway, please subscribe. Help me out. And with that, I am out of here. Enjoy the holiday, what's left of it, and y'all have a good day. Thanks. Bye.